I wonder what is in here. Oh, okay. And it's from Vtopmart? Yeah, I like it. Package includes 8 glass storage containers, lids, washing instructions. Let's check it out. All right, let's see what's in this thing. First we gotta get these open. And then this should slide out. Oh, here we go. Uno, doso, cinco, de mayo. Bam, check it out.
You just got these just now?
Uh-huh.
Huh?
We just got them just now. What do you think? I think they're good. It said on here there were 8, but maybe they're inside each other. Yeah, I think that's what it is. I think I gotta open them up. Oh yeah, there's one inside there. So there's one inside each one of these. So yeah, that's what we gotta do. We gotta open these all up. So here we go. I'm just gonna pop this lid. I just do on the side here like that. And this should come off. I think it should. Oh, there's 4 of them. So you get 4 different things. So you take that off of there, and this comes off of here. So that's your lid, right? And then here is the other little itty bitsy one here, right? Check it out. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Bam. Done. That's that little guy, right? And then we take this off of here. Bam. That's the top to that one. So I'm going to go ahead and put the top back on right now. Oops. It goes like this. No, it goes like that. And then you pop these down. That's the one. And then here's the other one. I took this out. And then this top goes on. See how the inside's got like a silicone thing? Goes like that. These look great. These are going to be good. Because, you know, plastic is not good to keep your food in. Even though the tops of these are plastic, if you keep the food low enough, you're good. And so now we just got to do that with all of them, right? And there should be 8 of them here. Here's the top to that one. And here's the other one that's on the inside, right? Set that down for a second. Pop that off. Pop the top. And pop this. There we go. There's that one. And here's the biggest one right here, right? Let's move all this stuff over here. Let's get our big top. Pull it off. This thing off of here. It's kind of plastic stuff. Take it, right? Put her on there. We'll close them. Just like that. Bam. And do this one. There they are. Check them out. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out. Alright, here we are. Bam. Nice, huh? Check them out.